Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus streaming subscription to stop recurring charges, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly close your account. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the Paramount Plus website. Click Sign In and log in using your email and password. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or account name in the top right corner of the screen. Select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. On the account page, scroll down to find the Subscription or Billing Information section. This area displays your current plan type, payment method, and next billing date. Step 4. Look for a button or link labeled Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Paramount Plus will ask you to select a reason for canceling your subscription. Choose the option that best fits your situation from the provided list. Step 6. Review any special offers or discounts that Paramount Plus may present to try to retain you as a subscriber. If you still want to cancel, click Continue or Proceed with Cancellation. Step 7. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your cancellation. Be aware that you'll typically have access to Paramount Plus content until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus confirming your subscription cancellation. Keep this email for your records in case of billing questions or disputes in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.